Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making a cute little jewelry holder. This can go on the wall. It's going to be just the cutest little thing. I have a jewelry holder already and it's completely full and I have never made one. So I thought, why not make something? I'm using everything that I already had at home. I did have to buy something for $1.50. So the total of this whole project for me is $1.50. I know everyone is super intimidated by like scrap wood or pallet wood or any kind of wood that I use. You can pick this up super cheap at your local like Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's. You can always find like scrap wood or like clearance wood. It's super inexpensive and it's not hard to find, so don't get intimidated. Also, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Prettles. I was so excited they wanted to work with me because they have the coolest jewelry. That is why I'm making a jewelry holder today, because I thought like this just all kind of goes together. I thought it was just, you know, something so cute. They have the most simple yet elegant and vintage look jewelry. I'm absolutely 100% super satisfied with them. They sent me over 4 pieces of jewelry. The first one is just like a colorful wood bead necklace. They had this one in different colors as well. I just chose the green. It's so pretty. It's so simple, and this would go with like any color outfit. This is a geometric gem pendant vintage necklace. I will leave like everything on the side right here so you'll know exactly what they are. It's a small little website, but I love their products so much. They have like a leather cord and everything is so neat. And I also have this one. This one is like a really colorful necklace as well. This is supposed to be more like a choker, which you can make it a little bit tighter. I chose to do it a little bit more loose, but I like this one as well. These have all like just the little simple color. I just love these. These are so cool. I've been wearing this one all day. And the last thing that they sent me was these vintage pendant earrings. These are gorgeous. So I don't know if you guys are new to my channel or not, but you guys know I don't wear dangling earrings ever because they just hurt my ears. These ones I was super surprised by. They are so pretty, and my little daughter said I looked really pretty in them. But they are these little pendant earrings. They're lightweight and they're really thin and they're gorgeous. They're super pretty. I love them. Chose the antique, I think it's called antique gold, but it's super pretty. Loved these so much. I will leave the links in the description box below along with a 30% off coupon code, so you guys will be able to get 30% off. Another great thing about this is nothing is expensive. I don't think there's anything over $20 on here, plus you get a 30% off promo code, so I think that's pretty cool. So let's get started with the DIY. So what you'll need for this project is a piece of wood. It can be any sort of board, scrap wood, pallet, anything you have, some of these screw eyes, and then I also used a skewer. This was a 32-inch one from the Dollar Tree, and then this Rust-Oleum spray paint in the aged copper. So what I did was I cut this right in half. So these are both 18 inches long. I used 7 eye screws. I keep forgetting what that's called. And then I just cut the skewer to the size of the piece of wood. I decided to add wood glue to this. This is Gorilla Glue. This works amazing. And then I'm just putting the board to the top of the other one to make a small little shelf. So I did wait quite a while for this to dry. It takes about 2 to 3 hours. I think I actually waited about 5. And then once that was done, I painted it all white in the Waverly chalk paint. I chose to do this because it did have this like little cork type feel on the sides, and I did not like the way it looked, although like the top was really pretty. We actually got this board to put underneath our kitchen cabinets, and then we ended up changing our mind because it didn't match our cabinets and what we wanted. So we've had this laying around for a while, and overnight I had a genius idea to make a jewelry holder. I've seen these on Pinterest so many different times, and they range from like $40 to $70 to make, and I thought that was just insane. So now I'm going 1 inch in and just marking it on each side so I can put in the eye screws. I'm just using 2 of these, and that's what they look like when they are spray painted with that aged copper color. I also spray painted the skewer so it would match and it wouldn't look like a little wood skewer. And these eye screws took forever. I have blisters everywhere. I don't know what it was. I don't know why I was having such a hard time, but I was. And then once those 2 eye screws were put in, I put the skewer right on the top so I can make a little earring or like watch or bracelet holder. And then I just added 5 to the bottom of this little jewelry holder / shelf. And then I just printed this hello sign off, and then I am just tracing it. This is the easiest way to do it. If you just put the pencil mark in and then you trace over it, it will leave a nice little outline for you to paint. I'm just using this Key West acrylic paint and painting in the hello. And then I'm just adding these hooks on the back to hang it up, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. I think it is so pretty. I love the way it looks, and I don't think it actually looks homemade. I actually think it looks like something you could actually buy at the store. Like, I think this is super cute, and then you can just hang your necklaces at the bottom. That is the plan for this, to hang your necklaces, and then the little skewer, you can actually move it, so you can add watches, you can add bracelets, earrings. I think this is so cute. And then at the top, it's also a shelf, so you can add some decor pieces. I just used things that I already had, and I think this looks so cute. But that's it, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you go and check out Prettle's website. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below, so you'll be able to check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.